Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I stand before you to address a pressing healthcare concern, cystic fibrosis. There are about 30,000 people with cystic fibrosis in the United States and about 100,000 people worldwide. About 1 in 30 people in the United States are carriers of the gene, and most don't even know it. There is no cure for cystic fibrosis, but treatment is available. This genetic disease affects both adults and children with debilitating symptoms. It is a complex and life-altering genetic disorder that primarily affects the lungs and digestive system. While cystic fibrosis is typically diagnosed in early childhood, advances in medical care and treatments have allowed many individuals to live well into adulthood. However, the impact of cystic fibrosis on both adults and children can be profound and far-reaching. For children, cystic fibrosis poses unique challenges as they grapple with the disease from a young age. Daily treatments, including chest physiotherapy, nebulized medications, and enzyme replacements, become a part of their routine. Frequent hospitalizations and doctor's appointments can disrupt their education and social life, making it crucial to strike a delicate balance between managing their health and allowing them to enjoy a fulfilling childhood. As many individuals with cystic fibrosis transition into adulthood, they continue to face a host of physical and emotional challenges. Lung function tends to decline over time, and adults may experience increasing respiratory difficulties. The burden of adhering to a complex treatment regimen can take a toll as it demands discipline and dedication to maintaining their health. Additionally, the risk of developing related complications such as diabetes and osteoporosis becomes more prevalent as they age. However, there is hope on the horizon. Adeno-associated virus gene therapy. And before delving into the benefits of AAV gene therapy, let's briefly touch on what cystic fibrosis is. It is a genetic disorder caused by mutations in the CFTR gene, leading to the production of thick and sticky mucus that clogs the airways and other organs like the pancreas and ovaries, for example, leading to other severe conditions. And as a result, patients face challenges in breathing, frequent lung infections, and digestive problems, infertility, and many other challenges. The impact is significant for individuals of all age groups, from children struggling with growth and development to adults managing chronic lung infections. So, what is adeno-associated virus gene therapy? AAV gene therapy is a type of genetic treatment that addresses genetic disorders like cystic fibrosis. It involves using a modified adeno-associated virus, which is a small, non-pathogenic virus, as a delivery vehicle for introducing functional copies of specific genes into the patient's cells. So, in the case of cystic fibrosis, which is caused by mutations in the CFTR gene, AAV gene therapy delivers functional copies of the CFTR gene into the lung cells of patients. The CFTR gene is responsible for producing a protein that regulates the flow of salt and water that comes in and out of cells. However, in cystic fibrosis, this gene is defective, resulting in production of thick and sticky mucus, which does clog airways. By delivering functional copies of the CFTR gene, AAV gene therapy aims to correct the genetic defect and restore the normal function of the CFTR protein. This can potentially alleviate the symptoms of cystic fibrosis, improve lung function, reduce the frequency of respiratory exacerbations, and enhance the overall quality of life for patients. AAV gene therapy is considered a promising approach. Because AAV has a high efficiency in delivering therapeutic genes to target cells, and it has shown an established safety profile in clinical trials. Currently, in cystic fibrosis, treatment primarily focuses on managing symptoms and providing supportive care. However, the emergence of AAV gene therapy presents an exciting breakthrough. AAV gene therapy utilizes a small virus to deliver functional copies of the CFTR gene into lung cells, which addresses the root cause of cystic fibrosis. The potential benefits of AAV gene therapy are immense. Clinical trials have shown an established safety profile with reduced risk compared to conventional treatments like lung transplants. Or, however, AAV demonstrates superior transduction efficiency in lungs, making it a promising candidate for cystic fibrosis treatment. According to a study published in 2013 in the Journal of Gene Medicine, AAV gene therapy has shown a significant improvement in the lung function and reduction and respiratory exacerbations in cystic fibrosis patients. Furthermore, insights from the Cystic Fibrosis Foundation emphasize that gene therapy holds the potential reduce of the burden of daily medications and therapies for patients. Addressing concerns and ethical considerations are crucial in advocating for AAV gene therapy. The high costs associated with gene therapy may seem daunting at first, but with research and funding support, we can work towards making it affordable and accessible to all cystic fibrosis patients. Additionally, ongoing research and clinical trials continue to address efficacy and concerns with early results showing promising outcomes in both adults and children. In conclusion, the adoption of adeno-associated virus gene therapy as the preferred treatment for cystic fibrosis as a transformative opportunity for patients of all age groups. By supporting research, funding, and raising awareness, we can pave the way for a brighter and healthier future for individuals living with cystic fibrosis. Let us come together as advocates, offering hope and a promising future for those affected by this challenging genetic disease. Thank you for your attention and have a great night.